Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a simulation with Ngspice on the inverter which we have created already. So we started with the schematic and we need to put into this schematic a library from SkyWater PDK. For that we need to go to the starting page of Xscheme and choose simply this TT models. So we can also open it in this file or this configuration. We see this line here allows us to put a library of the SkyWater 130 PDK into our schematic. So a simple click on this and Ctrl+C, copy this to our schematic and place. And we also need a Ngspice command. Here also we can go to the simple examples which are listed here, and if we choose this test NMOS and press E to enter this region, we can simply select and copy this Ngspice command window in our test bench and place it here. This is of course too big for our purposes, so we will simply delete all this stuff, and also this up to let's say this plot command, and we can also delete this stuff and this stuff and this stuff and this also. So option save currents we can leave, save all DC. We need to change these parameters. DC, our input voltage source is Vn, and we will sweep this input voltage from 0 to 1.8 volt with a step of 0.1, let's say. And let's remove also these lines, and we want to plot the input with respect to the output. So I hope that's all what we need to set up. Okay, with F we can fit to view, and now we see that we have our inverter, which we also, if we click on this inverter and hit E, let's save this file. If we press on this inverter and hit E, we can go to the detail view of the inverter and simply see what components are included in it. So we see that as we expected, these two transistors are there. With Shift, with Ctrl E, we go back. We have added a supply voltage which we need to change to let's say 1.8 volt, and also rename the supply voltage to VDD so that they matched. We can also change this voltage to simply 0 and rename it to Vn, because we sweep this input voltage from 0 to 1.8 volt, and that's all. It seems to be done. Let's save this file, and now we can, in the simulation, make sure that we are in our directory. So this is a false design Sky and Inverter. This is the directory which I work on. And now we can press netlist and simulate. So yeah, yes, now you see that Ngspice have started, and simply it has made the sweep of the input voltage as we set up here in this line. The Vin has started at 0 volt and is increased with 0.1 step up to 1.8 volt. This is a power supply of the inverter, and the output voltage, which is called Vout, is characterized with this blue line. For small voltages the output is high, and for the high voltages on input the output voltage drops to 0 again. So this is a simple behavior of a inverter, and in the next step I want to show you how to make a layout from this inverter with magic, and we will also make layout in key layout. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.